Hi, to change wallpapers on your POCO F6, as a first step, we would need to go in the settings on the phone and here scroll till we can see this wallpaper tab. And after that, you would see such categories as editor's picks, new system wallpapers, and you can tap on the more option in each of category to check more of the options available. And to explore even more, you can just tap this orange button find more, and here scroll to find your perfect wallpaper. For example, let's just install this minimal tool, I guess. And for that, we will need to click this green button apply and select to set as lock screen, home screen, or both. I'm gonna select to set as lock screen, so let's tap it. Here agree, and now it is added to wallpaper carousel, so let's test it. I'm gonna lock my phone and yeah, here is my new wallpaper. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.